Let's take a look at how to adjust your Google Ads target location for a campaign. So first of all, we come into Google Ads, go over to campaigns, and we'll see this campaign option here. When we select this, we'll see the campaigns. You might have to select to view the enabled or all campaigns depending on if the campaign is running or paused that you want to adjust. But next to it, if you hover over this, you'll see this little cogwheel right here. If you click on this, then we're going to see this flyout menu with some different options here. And what we're looking for is the locations right here. Click this little drop down arrow. It is going to show where we are targeting on the map. Well, if we click advanced search, then we can actually see where we are targeting on the map here. So in this case, we're doing a 40-mile radius around Phoenix, Arizona, which means people who are in this area will see our ads. Now, there is this hidden option down here. It says location options. A lot of people don't even realize this exists, but I typically recommend using this setting down here. By default, it will actually be here. You can see it says recommended. But I like to do presence, so people in or regularly in your target location will be included, essentially. If you leave it on the default, it's going to be people who are in or regularly in your location, but also people who show interest in your location will see the ads. What this means is you could be running an ad for Phoenix, Arizona, but there could be a telemarketing company based in Boston or something, and if they do a search for Phoenix closet company, your ad will pop up and then you'll get a call from them and they'll try to sell you some service or whatever it is. I've seen that happen many a times, which is why we typically set it to here, meaning that Google is only going to allow people that it thinks are in or regularly in the location that you're targeting to see your ads, which is what most people think about when they're targeting a specific location on the map. Then from the advanced search here, now that we have that enabled, we are actually targeting people within this location. We can adjust this, make it 30 miles if we want. So you can make adjustments to the radius. And there are different ways to target an area. So maybe we want to do like an entire state. So we could do the whole state of Arizona. Or maybe we want to do a specific county, like Maricopa County. Counties can work really well. States can work really well. Like counties are great because you can get somebody who's basically in things are just broken up by counties and it's a little bit more granular. You can even do zip codes, right? So there's a bunch of different ways that you can, it shows the examples right here. You can even do entire countries, so you can do the United States. Maybe you also want to do Canada. You can select entire countries to target, or counties, or regions, or postal codes. When they talk about regions, if we do like Phoenix, there's this DMA here, Nielsen DMA. This is a region, and so it's going to be this really populous region here. The only other populous region in Arizona is down here in Tucson. And so this is like the Phoenix region, if you will, in quotes. But we might not want to be targeting people all the way up in Flagstaff, which is many miles away. It's like a 3-hour drive or something, 2-hour drive. Maybe it's an hour. I can't even remember at this point. But either way, that might be too far for us to be driving if we're offering a service like closet remodeling or something. Or maybe we want to just target some, like this whole area, but then like the 60 off here in like the Santan Valley. If you do this radius option, you can use pin mode and you can actually drop your unique pin and select areas that are kind of wherever you want. So you can build out your own custom targeting here. Let's say we just want to do Phoenix and then down into this southern area like this. We can totally do that. It's not really a problem if it's overlapping. It's not going to change the targeting or cause any problems or anything like that. Once we have the location set that we want to target, we can click save and we'll be done targeting those locations. Now, one other thing that you want to be aware of is there is also the option to do exclusions. So maybe we want to like exclude this area out here, you know? Or maybe we want to exclude, I don't know, is Gold Canyon even on here? So this is just like a specific area within our target area that we do not want. Or maybe it's a specific zip code that we just don't want to go to for whatever reason. So you can also exclude, which means your ads will run in this whole area except for this one little part that's in red. Or at least to people who are in or regularly in that portion of the geographic targeting here. So that's sort of geo-targeting in a nutshell on Google Ads, or targeting locations, however you want to say it. I hope you did find this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.